a killer core section, focusing on using the gliders. It's gonna pull up and into that waist versus pushing out. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Make sure that you do click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you do not miss any workouts. Hey, if you want more content, maybe you want to help me create the content, make sure you click that join button below. This is going to be a little tough. We got 3 rounds, 5 movements, 30 seconds of effort with a 10-second transition. We're going to start with tucks in plank position here. You can always, again, mountain climbers if you're not using the gliders. You are in plank position, hands under shoulders. I got my sweat towel because it's sweaty right now. Tucking the knees in or mountain climbing. So my hands are on the edge of my mat. It's actually doubled up here. And when I tuck, I exhale. Normally, I would ask you to really round your lower back, but I'm, again, healing from a herniated disc, so I'm gonna keep a little arch in my low back here. And you're gonna see me do some back extensions in between. What's great, you got resistance. Forearm plank, all right, I'm just gonna do a little up dog. Forearm plank, jack or tap, right? You can do both legs or one at a time. So you can go one leg, then the other, or both legs. And do this for me. Slow it down. I like the double leg because then I get this like, zip up in the midsection. But then be honoring your hips. Shoulders away from ears. Belly pulls up and in. This is gonna tighten up that waist, you guys. Flip it on your back. We're gonna have the heels on the gliders. No gliders, you're gonna bridge. Hips go up, one leg and then the other leg go out and in. You can walk the feet out and in. If you really wanna intensify this, both feet out, both feet in while the hips are lifted. Or keep your hips down if you're dealing with any back issues, right? This part of the leg is part of your core. So again, I can keep my hips down, still work. Side forearm plank. You can hold or you're gonna jack. I'm gonna jack my feet. Top leg goes forward in that forearm plank, dropping the hip, lifting the hip. So actually I'm gonna put my hand a little down in front. So drop the hip, lift the hips. Relax the shoulders. And again, I could just stay and hold side plank with a neutral spine here. Still gonna work hard. This is where we're working. That underside oblique. Gonna pulls your gut inward versus pushing out all the time. Nice job. Whew. I'm just gonna face the back. You guys are good? You at home? Same thing. Drop the hip, lift the hip. This is gonna be good too. You can see my position from the other side. So inhale, lower, exhale, zip up. You don't have to go too big. Know your body. And then the hand that's on the floor, that's on the top, it's just light. Right? Don't use it as a leg. Light fingers. Okay, we're gonna go back to move number 1. That was the end of round 1. Tucks or mountain climbers. You can change it up. Plank, in and push back. Now, you can change the tempo. Quick, slow. Oh, I had more break. You can keep going though. You got an extra 10 seconds. All right, you can go quick in, slow back. Changing tempo can make it feel different. Push through the heels of the hands, pull up and in your waist. Oh. Forearm plank, jack. Oh, sorry, cheeky, I'm leaving sweat. Leaving some DNA. Forearms, tap, right, the tap, or jack. Really zip up your inner thighs if you're gonna jack. Balls of the feet right in the middle of the gliders. Regs work well too. Woo. Doing all right? Oh my gosh. And you get shoulders. Flipping it. Hamstrings, let's go. You gotta be quick on this one. Heels on. You know, if you're gonna modify, I would go for speed. So if your hips are gonna be down, go for speed. Even when they're up too, or you can go a little faster. Again, we're gonna tighten up that whole waist here. No arms. Side forearm plank. Whew. Okay, we have not been inside doing an indoor workout like forever. We're all sucking some wind here. Right, jack, squeeze it in. And I hope you are too, right? We're with you today. And again, take moments. You can even pause. Out, in. Ooh, I'm working hard. Other side. I'll make sure I give you the extra break on the next round, okay? Get in position. All right, you're gonna open, close. As you open the legs, the hips can drop. And add an element on there. Remember, we're gonna take, I think I got you for 20 seconds on this break. All right, 20 it is. We're gonna take it no matter what, right? Whew, I'm gonna do an up dog here. So think about the next move. 10 more seconds. Tucks or mountain climbers. Last round. Get set. So I'm gonna go a little faster this time. I'm gonna have my knees wider.
Everything is just easy. Since you told me what could become of me, I put together.
All right, let's finish this off strong. Come on.
And now it's time for me to fly away. Everything is just easy.
Forearm plank. We're gonna jack those feet or tap them out. So you always want more arms and core. Here it is. Get a forearm. You can even hold if you need to, right? Just work on some real deep core strength here. I'm gonna come in and pause 1, 2, then open, squeeze. Shoulders away from ears. Hamstring curls are coming up. Nice job. Oh my gosh. Jen, you're making a lot of noise back there. Woo, here we go. You too. All right, everybody. All right. Jen just celebrated her 50th. She's looking great, right? Woo. We have a special workout coming for you guys. All right, remember, if you want to level up, maybe double curl. Oh, side plank. Take a deep breath, right? Get in position. Did you rush or did you slow down that time, right? All right, you can add a moment where you pause, with the hand. I kind of like that. Makes me really push my hips up. Ooh. 3, 2, other side. Nice job. Ooh, everybody's looking a little sweaty and red. Yeah. Get yourself in side forearm plank. Drop, in, lift. Or you could do a hip drop and reach it up. Come on, watch the shoulders. Push them away from the ears. Pull up and in your waist. And then you're gonna flip it in forearm plank. Quickly, just hold 20 seconds. Pull up and in, shoulders down. You still got 10 seconds, come on. This is the stuff that pulls it in. All right, this is gonna make it, these are harder for the core versus standing stuff. This is more effective actually. Relax, whew. Yay. You could child, I'm gonna do a little up dog. The sweat drips. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Who's sweaty? Yeah. I'm sweaty. Nice job. All right, let's push yourself up. Unroll your mat. And we are gonna stretch. Nice job, ladies. Nice job you at home too. Let's start with a lunge. I'm gonna take my real right leg forward. If you need to, you can always put your towel underneath your opposite leg. I am gonna do that. So for the psoas, right? The front of the hip, we want the legs about 90, and then we're gonna push the hips forward. And then if you want more stretch, I'm gonna reach that back arm up. Even more stretch, you can do a side. If you have a yoga block, you could have your other hand on a yoga block, or maybe you've got the ability to touch your fingers to the floor. I definitely don't. You guys can keep reaching forward. I'm gonna just reach back. Take a deep breath here. And then we're gonna sit back. We're gonna pull the toes up. We're gonna sit back. Ooh, right? Do that psoas stretch one more time. So bend the knees, reach up, good side stretch, same stretch, and then release it back. Now, we are gonna face to the back of the room for just a moment, and we're gonna do a spin around stretch for the hips. So we've done this before. We're gonna straddle, right? We're gonna spin over our true right shoulder and face you guys. Ooh, right? Feel that? And if you've really got good flexibility, that hip is on the ground. I don't know, mine's not there yet. It's always a work in progress, right? If you want to hug the knees, lean forward. And then we're gonna unwind, and we'll do the same thing on the other leg. So first we're gonna come back into plank. If you have your towel for your knee, I'm gonna shift it to the other side. Knee goes down, step forward into lunge, or just step into lunge. I did the old lady thing. Oh, no old ladies here. I did the safer for my back thing. So now we got the other leg forward. I'm gonna reach up against psoas, right the front of the hip here. You can stretch it over. I'm just gonna go straight back. Take a deep breath. And then hinge it forward. So toes go up, shift your hips back. Another option too, walk the fingers forward. Back into lunge, reach up. You can reach back. into the hamstring, push forward. And this time we are gonna face you. And it's my left, we're gonna face to the back. So we're gonna spin around to the left and we're facing to the back. Right, so chest is up. And then you can always check out our hips, right? Sometimes that hip is so tight, it just lifts off the floor. Some people have the ability, or have the mobility and the flexibility that it doesn't. Now, hug the knees, come forward over the legs. Oh, that feels good. And then unwind, we're facing you. Straddle, stretch. Heel it in, heel toe in, roll up. And then tricep, we're gonna go hand behind, step the feet in, give you a side bend. Switch the arms. And then we're gonna hand clap, like you're clapping your hands, round forward. Hands behind the head, open the chest, look up. One more time, round. Open the chest. Relax the arms by your side. Ooh, big inhale, reach it up. Pause for a moment here, and I want you to reach it back. Lengthen through the torso, pull it down into your heart center, and let's do one more. And have gratitude. What are you grateful for today? Being with my crew where it's not wet, right? Hand on the heart, take a big inhale here, and let it go. You guys did phenomenal. Thank you guys. Woo! Thank you, Diane. You're super sweaty, Jen. I have the Carol in the back. Liza way back here. Cheeky way back here. We need to give a big shout out to Cheeky. Thank you for letting us come to your basement. It's been raining for like 3 days in New Jersey, so we were like, I needed a film. You know us, we're gonna stay consistent with you guys because you are staying consistent. So take care, you guys, and we will see you back on this mat. Bye.